baka hindi kita, I will not dropping you. Kasi yung bully kuya eh. Bahala ka na. You're never gonna sit down again. You're never gonna walk ever again. See? If you mess with kuya, you mess with kuya. It's equal to the bye-bye to the walk. Ang bigat mo.